Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Legendary Box Breaks. We're getting ready to start with our third box break. We've been doing Tier 1 baseball the last couple of weeks. We're going to switch it up and do a 2013 Finest Football. I'd like to thank everybody for joining us again. We are pretty much ready to start at 6 o'clock. So we will get our names plugged in over here on our randomizer on random.org. Randomize. Again. Copy and paste. All right. Get you a little bit of an idea of who you've got here. And then we'll print off a list, and I'll show that to you also. I'd like to remind everybody while we're printing off here, you can join us on Facebook under Legendary Box Breaks and Brian's Sports Card Corner. Also check us out on Twitter. We're under Legend Box Breaks. While we're waiting here, take this opportunity to tell you we've already got our box up for next week. We're doing Prominence Football, and those are on sale now on the website, so you can go check those out. All right, here is the list of who everybody got. Run it through slow so you can see it. All right. Ready to get this started. 2013 Finest Football. Box is empty. And away we go. I want to remind you that we are doing serial numbered, refractors, autographs, and memorabilia cards. We're not doing the base cards this time. So, first pack was a dud. Alright, we have a refractor for the Minnesota Vikings, Ron S., Jared Allen. Looks like we have a blue refractor for the Steelers. That goes to Adam J. Heath Miller. And that card is serial numbered 57 of 99. Looks like we have another refractor. A Monte Ball rookie. Denver Broncos going to Matt S. And here's the thick pack. Really thick pack. Arizona Cardinals. Looks like it's Zachary D. And we have an autograph patch rookie, Stephen Taylor. Good looking card. Go. All right, halfway through, guys. that one. We have a refractor for the Minnesota Vikings. We've got Ron S., Christian Ponder. We have something shiny. Looks like an X-Fractor rookie of Ryan Swope for the Arizona Cardinals. It's Zachary D. Looks like we got another refractor. Giovanni Bernard rookie refractor for the, let's see here, Zach. There we go. Cincinnati Bengals rookie, Giovanni Bernard, going to Zach. And last, should have one more hit right here. Minnesota Vikings, going to Ron S. Good looking card there. Cordell Patterson, rookie, purple refractor, blue refractor, autograph jersey, numbered 16 of 99. Good looking card right there. All right, guys, that concludes the break for tonight. Just a reminder, go check us out on the website. We are getting ready to, or we've already actually got it up for next week. So go buy you some teams, check us out on Facebook and Twitter, and we will see you next time.